How's it going, class? Today we're going to do the 9.1, the correlation. And this topic I was having a little trouble, so I'm not really quite fond of knowing how to find the correlation coefficient. But of course, what I can easily do is the scatter plot. So the numbers that we're going to use are going to be 2.79, 0.56, 5.01, 2.41, 4.57, 1.44, 3.01, 0.82, 3.76, 1.01, and then 2.18 and 0.21. All right. So scatter plot. We're going to do. Oh, we're gonna go by 0.5s for the. This is the x. This is y. 5, 1, 0.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. And here, we're gonna do just about the same thing almost. We go 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Alrighty. So for the x, oh, I'm sorry, 3.5. And we're going to jump over here about 5. So for the first one, x is about 2.79, which will be here around 2.75. And we're going to go for y, 0.56, so it'll be right here. Then we're going to go to 5.1, which is all over here. And we're going to go all the way up to 2.4, so it'll be about 2.5. Then we're going to go all the way to 4.5, which will be here. And go to 1.44 here. Then 3 and 1.44, which will be about almost here. And then we're going to go, I'm sorry, this was actually supposed to be 0.82. So here, so this will cross out. Then we're going to go to 3.76, about over here. And we're going to go to 1.04, which is around here. Then 2.18, last one. Around here. It's going to be at 0.21, so right here. So in a way, we can almost draw a line. Okay. And then as I said before, I needed some help finding the correlation. But sort of broken it down. And I got nearly, through all the calculations, for this one, I got about 0.6706 all over 0.998 times point, oh, let me just put parentheses, 0.7068. And then we get about R equals 0.951. All right. So then R equals 0.951. Now, what I do know is that as long as it's getting to 1 meaning 1.0, we're going to have a strong positive linear correlation. As you can see, you should also, while you're doing the scatter plot, you should also draw a line. But this, as soon as you're getting closer to 1, meaning the closer, so I was at, let's just say 0.98, that's even better, so it's almost at a 1. So I'm going to have a strong positive linear correlation. So yeah, the closer you are of getting to 1.00, your linear correlation will be stronger. But of course, the lesser it is, it will be weaker, of course, or it's just not strong at all. Let's say if I had if it was a parabola, for instance, you don't have any type of positive linear correlation. So yeah, guys, sorry I couldn't really help you out on the R. I had to use some websites for the help of this because I couldn't really calculate it, didn't really understand it. But after getting it, I got 0.951, and yeah, and then I got that it's a strong positive linear correlation. Alrighty, guys, and once again, this is 9.1, topic of correlation. Alrighty, guys, have a good night.